There is a need. This is a paramount importance that there should be peace and tranquility throughout the world. But it can be established. There are contributing factors like violation of human rights. That is a main contributing factor. I feel it is one of the contributing factor, as it is happening not only in particular area but throughout the world. So there is a need that there should not be any violation of the human rights. So in that context, we must work together, and all the constituent assemblies throughout the world, the parliaments, they should sit together and find out why it's happening, why there is no peace and tranquility. If we have to establish peace and tranquility, and there should be, so there is a need, it is imperative that there should not be any violation, and the peace, for establish the peace, the due justice should be delivered to every rich and poor, irrespective of their class and creed, and we have to ensure, and all the parliaments and all these judges throughout the world, they should see that there is no violation of the human rights. So that way, if the human rights are not violated, I hope there can be peace and tranquility, and there can be peace not only in one particular region but throughout the world. Thank you. No.
बड़े श्रेष्ठ आदमी
हाँ
जब अपनी बात अपनी फीलिंग्स ज़्यादा लोगों तक नहीं पहुंचा पा रहे हैं,
नहीं पहुंचा पा रहे हैं, because when we are discussing, this is an international forum, so I have to discuss in English only. It's not only centered only in one particular region and Delhi or in India. So we are discussing the international world human rights violation.
अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।